So hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Ames's Corner. How you doing out there? So another busy day. When isn't it a busy day here? Had a couple cool things happen. Had a time lapse going all day, and did a lot of work to this Jeep over here. We replaced both rear axle seals, but to do that you got to take the whole axle apart and bearings out and replace those. Did some front ball joints and the front U joint, got all that on time lapse. Had one of my fans come in today, worked on his Mustang. Nice guy, James. I know you're seeing this. Sorry we couldn't take a look at that other car you brought, but you'll see from the time lapse I was pretty out straight today. One of you guys asked the other day in my last video about this Maxima right here. At the time it was the other tech, it was Paul here, it was his car, and you know, I didn't think anything of it. You know, it's a car he's been driving for a year or so, but it looks like he's picking up this this Subaru. Where is he? Right there. Looks like he's picking up this Subaru for him and his dog and his family, and we kind of worked out a deal for a swap and gurgle and chooch and all that, and it looks like I own a Nissan Maxima now. Looks like this is going to be the old lady's car, and I'm going to drive the rally wagon finally. That's why you guys haven't seen the rally wagon, because I've been driving the Sonnet. Where is it? Now in front of that Trailblazer over there. I've been driving the Sonnet every day because she's driving that, because we need another car. We need her something reliable to go down the highway. I need something for me that isn't the Sonnet every day. I mean, I love driving the Sonnet. Don't get me wrong, it's a blast, you know, once a week, twice a week or so, but when you got to drive that car every day, it loses its fun real quick. You know, it's loud and it's rattly and it's visceral, and that's what I was going for with it. It wasn't meant to be a daily driver, but it's doing all right. It's doing all right. It's holding up. It's surprising the crap out of me how well it's holding up. How about you, Josh? That Sonnet surprising you? It's still holding up?
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Yeah, we thought that thing was going to die the first year I had it, but it just keeps going. So anyways, a couple other cool things that happened today. One of the tool guys showed up, and I've asked them to keep their eye out for a new service card or something I can put beside my toolbox here. So I got that nice black service card for 400 bucks. That's a steal. I think those things are usually like 1,200, 1,500 bucks for a 4-drawer with a top on it. But I've got this thing here, the old one that used to be over there, and I don't want it anymore. I got it just stashed here because it's out of the way, but that's kind of valuable real estate, and I don't want the, it's a little, you know, ragged and old and been around since, I don't know, the 70s or so. If any of you guys want that box right here, if any of you guys want that thing, just let me know down in the comments if you're local. I can't ship it. I'm not going to ship it, and I'm not going to hold on to it much longer than, say, Tuesday, Wednesday, and next week, today being Friday. There's a couple of guys I think might be able to use that. Benjamin LeBlanc, if you want that box, let me know in the comments and come get it. Or Musty, if you're watching, I know you got a lot of those old vintage toolboxes. If you want it and he doesn't want it, I don't care. Otherwise, I'm either going to give it to the scrapper, or I'll just stick it out front of the shop here with a free sign. I'm sure it'd be gone in 15 minutes. So why don't you guys watch that time lapse and. busy day, you know. It's just not a minute to spare anywhere. A little slow at the end of the day, the last 45 minutes of the day now, but that's not a typical Friday. Usually Friday afternoon, we're just, you know, scrambling to get everyone's car done for the weekend. Got something here we picked up. We got Andrew there washing it out. But anyways, I gotta get home. I gotta smash this video together and eat dinner and the usual Friday night, thank fuck it's Friday stuff. But until next time, guys,
keep it out of the cabbage.
Right.